Nice, we got a Bobrick Aircraft B-750. I'm not sure what it's made in. Alright. Let's do the like halfway shape for the wires. Alright. I'm just a hair-dryer enthusiast. I'm not going to get you. Oh man, soap ran out. Unfortunately. Just a hair-dryer enthusiast. I'm not going to get you. Oh, there's the sun. It's super dark in here. Oh man, this thing is really vandalized. Yes, Ross. Dross less. As you can hear the Bobrick Aircraft sound. Man, this thing is really not in the good condition of this restroom, just same as in and it looks like something. This restroom is quite messy there. So anyways, that's it.